We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Tarrant County until midnight. Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms producing heavy rain across Tarrant County. Radar estimates between 2 and 4 inches of rain have already fallen this evening. Flash flooding is either ongoing or expected to begin shortly, otherwise imminent. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Alton City, Keller, Hurst, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Saginaw, White Settlement, Crowley, Forest Hill, Azle, Richland Hills, and River Oaks. Once again, a flash flood warning has been issued until midnight for all of Tarrant County. Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms producing 2 to 4 inches of rain across the entire county, and flash flooding is either imminent or expected shortly. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Wherever you go, download